Every great display begins with a single pixel, engineered for precision, consistency, and performance. These pixels are the foundation of everything we create. From bold, iconic installations that redefine entire arenas, to storefront and architectural displays that demand the same clarity, reliability, and impact. No matter the scale, quality is never compromised. As customers add more displays in more places and resolutions continue to rise, our control systems scale with them. At the Intuit Dome, more than 250 million pixels operate as one, powered by real-time processing, intelligent content mapping, and system-level control that keeps every moment sharp and seamless. Behind every display is an ecosystem that connects everything. Control solutions that orchestrate the experience and transform data into dynamic storytelling. Processing hardware that routes and synchronizes content in real time. Cloud software that makes it easy to create content and manage display networks. By engineering a fully integrated system, we give customers the confidence to communicate boldly, consistently, and at scale. Because at Daktronics, innovation isn't just about technology. It's about shaping experiences across every place people connect.